Sri Lanka is steadily developing its industrial and manufacturing sectors, with a particular focus on chemical plants, refineries, and infrastructure related to energy and processing industries. In the context of chemical plant construction and maintenance, Sri Lanka employs modern welding techniques, including the use of TIG, tungsten inert gas, welding, similar to practices found in more industrialized nations. Sri Lanka has been moving toward industrial growth, and while it may not yet have the scale of countries like India or China, it follows international standards and procedures, especially in sectors where safety, precision, and corrosion resistance are critical, such as in the chemical processing industry. In Sri Lanka, TIG welding is particularly used for the fabrication and assembly of piping systems, pressure vessels, reactors, and stainless steel tanks in chemical plants. These components are often exposed to highly corrosive chemicals, varying temperatures, and high-pressure operations, which make TIG welding a suitable choice. The key reason is TIG welding's ability to produce high-quality, clean welds with excellent strength and corrosion resistance. The method uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode and inert shielding gas, typically argon, to protect the weld area from atmospheric contamination, ensuring the integrity of the joint. Chemical plants in Sri Lanka, particularly those dealing with fertilizer, pharmaceuticals, paint, petrochemical, and water treatment chemicals, use materials like stainless steel, Inconel, Monel, and other corrosion-resistant alloys. TIG welding is the most effective method for joining these materials due to its low heat input, superior weld control, and lack of spatter. Unlike other welding techniques like SMAW, shielded metal arc welding, or MIG, metal inert gas. TIG welding in Sri Lanka chemical facilities is favored when dealing with thinner wall sections in critical joints where failure is not an option. TIG welding in Sri Lanka chemical plants is used both in the construction phase and for ongoing maintenance and repair activities. Maintenance in chemical plants often involves repairing or replacing damaged pipe sections, pressure vessel parts, or chemical tanks. TIG welding is used to carry out these repairs, especially when welders need to ensure minimal contamination, high precision, and avoid metallurgical failures. Welders in Sri Lanka who work on chemical plants are often trained under programs recognized by the Tertiary and Vocational Education Commission, TVC, and sometimes under international bodies like the American Welding Society, AWS. Welding procedures in Sri Lanka chemical plants adhere to Detailed Welding Procedure Specifications, WPS, which define variables such as base material, filler metal, gas type, current type, and welding position. The filler metals used in TIG welding are selected based on compatibility with the base material and the service environment. For example,